Deep within the heart of Africa, in the vast expanse of the Democratic Republic of Congo, lies a region shrouded in mystery and teeming with untold secrets. It's a land where the whispers of the wild echo through the dense foliage, hinting at creatures and phenomena that defy conventional understanding. This is the Bili-Uéré region, a place of unparalleled biodiversity and remote wilderness. Here, the forest canopy is so dense that it blots out the sun, casting an eternal twilight upon the forest floor. Sunlight struggles to penetrate the thick layers of leaves, creating a world of shadows and secrets. Rivers run dark and deep, their waters carrying the secrets of the jungle downstream, winding through the dense vegetation like veins in the earth. And secrets are guarded by ancient trees, their massive trunks bearing witness to centuries of untold stories, their roots intertwined with the very fabric of this enigmatic land. These silent sentinels have watched generations come and go, guarding the mysteries that lie hidden within the forest's embrace. For generations, the local communities deeply connected to this land have spoken of a creature that stalks these woods, a being that challenges the boundaries of known biology. They call it the Bondo ape, or sometimes the Congo Bigfoot, a name that hints at its legendary status and the mystery that surrounds it. These aren't just campfire tales spun to entertain under the starlit sky. They're first-hand accounts shared with unwavering conviction of an animal that defies easy explanation, an anomaly that challenges our understanding of the natural world. Described as enormous in size and stature, dwarfing even the largest chimpanzees, it is said to walk upright with an unnerving ease, displaying an eerily human-like intelligence that sets it apart from other primates. The Bondo ape's sheer size is a key element of its mystique, with reports suggesting it's far larger and more imposing than any known chimpanzee species. Its flat face, devoid of the typical chimpanzee features, and its powerful, muscular build unsettle even seasoned hunters, men who have spent their lives navigating the dangers of the Congo wilderness. Unlike the shy and elusive behavior of typical primates, this creature is bold, exhibiting a confidence that borders on arrogance. It behaves like an apex predator, a living enigma that challenges our understanding of the food chain and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The Congo remains one of Earth's last truly wild places, a vast and largely unexplored territory where new species are still being discovered with surprising regularity, highlighting the sheer wealth of biodiversity hidden within its borders. Locals insist with unwavering conviction that the Bondo ape is real. They've seen its massive tracks imprinted in the mud, heard its strange and haunting calls echoing through the dense forest, and felt its powerful presence lurking just beyond the edge of the known, a palpable sense of being watched. For them, it's a respected neighbor, an integral part of the ecosystem, not a monster or a mystery to be feared. But for outsiders, for scientists and researchers, it's a tantalizing puzzle waiting to be solved. A biological enigma that could rewrite our understanding of primate evolution. Here, in the heart of the Congo, the line between myth and reality blurs, becoming almost indistinguishable, and the Bondo ape, whether real or imagined, walks that precarious line, a symbol of the unknown that still exists in our world. The challenge lies in separating fact from fiction, in sifting through the layers of folklore and anecdotal evidence. How much of the Bondo ape's story is rooted in ancient legend, and how much is based on genuine encounters with an undiscovered species? The journey to truly understand this creature, to unravel the mystery of the Bondo ape, is just beginning, and the answers may lie hidden deep within the heart of the Congo. Deep within the dense forests of the Congo basin, whispers of an extraordinary creature persist. Local hunters, intimately familiar with the region's wildlife, consistently describe an animal unlike any other they know. They speak of an ape with the imposing size of a gorilla, yet possessing the distinct facial features of a chimpanzee, a truly bizarre hybrid-like beast that defies easy categorization. Its graying coat, a sign of age or perhaps a unique genetic trait, and its remarkable upright walk set it apart dramatically from any other known primate species in the region. Witnesses frequently claim it strides bipedally across the open savanna, a behavior more akin to humans than typical apes, blurring the line between ape and ancient ancestor, sparking speculation about its evolutionary origins and potential links to hominid ancestors. Unlike typical chimpanzees, which are generally cautious and wary of human presence, these apes show little fear of humans, exhibiting a boldness that is both intriguing and unsettling. They are known to sometimes approach villages with bold curiosity, observing the inhabitants and their activities with an almost unnerving level of confidence. Their apparent fearlessness is often attributed to their sheer size and perceived dominance within their environment. They simply don't seem to recognize humans as a significant threat, behaving as if they are the undisputed rulers of their domain. Perhaps one of the most striking and unusual aspects of their behavior are their nesting habits. Because instead of constructing nests high up in the trees, as chimpanzees typically do, they build massive ground nests, carefully constructed from branches and foliage, much like gorillas. This particular behavior is virtually unheard of in chimpanzees, representing a significant departure from their established patterns, who usually prefer the safety and security of the trees and actively avoid spending extended periods on the potentially dangerous forest floor. The Bondo ape's preference for ground nests strongly suggests it occupies a position at the very top of the food chain, free from the threat of ground-based predators. Locals frequently stumble upon these nests during their forays into the forest, providing tangible evidence of the ape's existence and its unique lifestyle. These discoveries serve to reinforce the widespread belief in the existence of a dominant, unique ape unlike any other found in the region. The compelling combination of its imposing size, unusual behavior, and remarkable fearlessness undeniably makes the Bondo ape a true anomaly, a puzzle that continues to intrigue and baffle scientists and researchers alike. For the people who share its territory and live alongside it every day, it's not merely a legend whispered around the campfire, it's a tangible and undeniable fact of life. Among the most sensational claims surrounding the elusive Bondo ape is a truly remarkable one, that this creature, shrouded in mystery, actively hunts and kills large predators in its domain, even lions. This assertion, if true, would redefine our understanding of primate behavior and predator-prey dynamics. Local Azande hunters, who have coexisted with these apes for generations, speak of these apes with a mixture of respect and fear. They tell tales of these powerful primates stalking and killing lions in groups, employing strategies and coordination that defy conventional wisdom. It's a reversal of nature's order, a challenge to the established hierarchy of the African wilderness, where lions typically reign supreme. Adding to the enigma, some say the apes are immune to poison-tipped arrows, a common hunting tool in the region. They claim the apes can pull the arrows out with ease and walk away unharmed, seemingly unaffected by the potent toxins. These stories, passed down through generations, elevate the Bondo ape to near mythical status, transforming it into a figure of legend. It's a creature commanding awe and fear, a symbol of the untamed wilderness and the mysteries it holds. While such claims seem fantastical, bordering on the unbelievable, they're deeply rooted in local tradition, woven into the cultural fabric of the Azande people. Perhaps the lions are actually leopards, a more plausible scenario given the size and habits of these predators. Leopards, unlike lions, are solitary hunters, and chimpanzees have been known to mob defensively against them when their territory is threatened. Over time, these defensive acts, born out of necessity, could become tales of proactive hunts, embellished and exaggerated through oral tradition. Still, the idea of a primate challenging big cats, regardless of the species, is extraordinary and challenges our understanding of the natural world. The legend persists, capturing the imagination of locals and researchers alike because it reflects the raw power, both physical and mental, and social intelligence of these apes, highlighting their capacity for complex behavior and cooperation. Whether fact or embellishment, a kernel of truth or a complete fabrication, the Bondo ape's reputation as a lion killer is central to its mystique, fueling the ongoing fascination with this enigmatic creature. It remains one of the most compelling mysteries of the Congo, a testament to the power of folklore and the enduring allure of the unknown. For decades, Bondo ape stories were dismissed as folklore, but in the late 20th century, researchers braved the dangerous Bili-Uéré region, seeking evidence of a new great ape. They searched for skulls, hair, and nests, guided by local knowledge, Ground nests and oversized footprints were documented and camera traps set. The forest scale and the ape's elusiveness made research grueling, yet the evidence, nests, tracks, and consistent eyewitness accounts was too compelling to ignore. The scientific quest had begun, pitting modern research against ancient legend. Swiss conservationist Karl Ammann is central to the Bondo ape mystery. In 1996, he discovered unusual ape skulls with gorilla-like crests but chimpanzee teeth. Convinced these belonged to a new species, Ammann launched expeditions documenting large footprints and ground nests. His findings forced the scientific community to take notice, though some dismissed the skulls as robust chimpanzee variants. Amann's persistence brought global attention to the Bondo ape. He collected hair, fecal samples, and photos, fueling debate. The skulls remain a puzzle, tangible evidence that defies easy classification. Whether new species or extreme variation, they testify to Ammann's dedication. He bridged local legend and scientific inquiry, opening a new chapter in primate research. Years of speculation ended with genetic analysis of Bili ape hair and feces. The DNA revealed they are eastern chimpanzees. No gorilla DNA, no new species. For some, the mystery was solved. The Bondo ape was just a big chimp. But the paradox remained. How could ordinary chimps display such unique behaviors and features? Scientists proposed a new theory. The Bondo apes are a unique cultural group, not a separate species. Like humans, chimpanzee populations can develop distinct traditions and behaviors. The Bondo ape's size, ground nesting, and fearlessness may be cultural adaptations to their environment. The DNA told us what they are, but not who they are. The mystery shifted from genetics to culture. The Bondo apes may be the most extreme example of primate culture ever discovered. Their story challenges our understanding of what it means to be a chimpanzee. The Bondo ape legend echoes global tales of wild men: Bigfoot, Yeti, Yowie, Orang Pendek. Each culture with vast wilderness has its own version of a mysterious bipedal ape. Skeptics say these are myths born from misidentification and folklore. But the Bondo ape is different, a real, scientifically confirmed population with extraordinary traits. It's a real-world cryptid, blurring the line between legend and science. If such an ape exists in the Congo, could similar creatures exist elsewhere? The Bondo ape bridges cryptozoology and mainstream science. It reminds us not to dismiss indigenous knowledge. Local stories often point to real phenomena. The legend is a tangible link in a global chain of mystery. There are still giants in the earth waiting to be understood. The Bondo ape mystery is grounded in physical evidence. Researchers have found and photographed footprints up to 35 centimeters long, far larger than typical chimpanzee tracks. These tracks are found repeatedly in Bondo ape territory. Ground nests built like those of gorillas are another key sign. This behavior is extraordinary for chimpanzees and suggests dominance in the ecosystem. Fecal samples provided the DNA that identified them as eastern chimpanzees but didn't explain their unique traits. Camera traps have captured images of massive chimpanzees confirming their exceptional size. The physical evidence validates local accounts and keeps the mystery alive. The legend's foundation, a formidable, unique ape, is very real. The Bondo ape story is where science and legend meet. DNA analysis labels them as chimpanzees, but that answer feels incomplete. Science explains what they are, but not why they're so different. Local legend fills the gaps, portraying them as lion killers and forest masters. The truth lies in the intersection. Science and legend both capture aspects of this remarkable animal. The Bondo ape is proof that some mysteries endure even as we learn more. Their unique culture blurs the line between known and unknown. They are a cryptid made real, just not as expected. The Congo's forests still hold secrets, and the Bondo ape's story isn't over. The world remains full of wonders waiting to be discovered.